What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Prince again. I'm back in another epic reaction video. For today's reaction video, ice cold. Yeah, you know what that means? The nigga Jew is so ice. No, that don't make sense. That's just like give me the around. Nigga Jew is so cold, it turned into ice. Damn. So, the Migos, them as it, the ultimate trios. You see me? Why this nigga has so many changes? But anyways, we here, Quavo say, after the like say, yo, I need to smoke a blunt.
It's the Migos. We are the executive producers on Ice Cold. It's the history on jewels, it's the history on diamonds. Hard work, the blood, sweat, and tears, it took it.
For sure, bro. Hard work and blood and tears it take to reach this place. And much hard work, sleepless nights, and for days in the studio.
Get it. Make sure you tune in and watch that. Ice Cold. Ice. Our community do it to make ourselves feel good, you know what I'm saying, to shine. It's a money symbol. If you live in America, you have to participate in capitalism. For a lot of people who have not been able to build the same type of generational wealth as white people in this country, the best way that you could show you that you're a good capitalist is look how big a flower chain is. This is the most investment on a piece of jewelry. It's like $120,000 watch. This is a
Then shit at dear, no brother, on cheap penny little things, man. I hope I dear things them on your foot, brother. Like, whoa, this is really expensive. It's a shiny or free. You wanna see how much for that watch there? Like, you wanna see how much for that watch?
It's like $120,000 watch. This is a living human being.
You like, we can't get the freaking thing we stop by right part. Bombard. This. Yeah, I try to make walk around with about $3 million worth of jewelry by you. Bombard. This shit. Damn as hell. Look at that.
450,000 to 6 million. No, 2.
That really just said 6 million.
This is a living human being. 450,000 to 6 million. No, 2 million.
Bombard. I look back, you see that, you see? Jewelry just different now. That's a jewelry in my eyes, like, wait a minute. Can look on that. That thing upon it, and I don't look like it look shiny, but you wouldn't think say it worth over 6 million. As in just say.
Hip hop and never, you know,
Bombard.
because jewelry is just a part of hip hop now.
Babe.
It feels free and it feels like us. Man, because that's the
can't visit this card. If you never watch it.
how I feel, bro.
July 8th. Wow. July 8th when me and go have exam. Like for real. Anyways, you guys just see the trailer. So, tune in for it. I'm going to react to that shit because I ain't going to make this mistake, bro. I'll be sitting here all day reacting to that thing, bro. They're called Migos or God, bro. They're not God, but I know that mean, but damn. Them have a great talent. Everybody know that by now. Anyways, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment and turn on post notification to this epic reaction video.